Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm here with Helen, my daughter, and she's going to help me show you how to make a fizzy surprise.
Yes.
Okay, so there's two things you can do. You can choose to make this with your child, or you can set it up beforehand and let them guess what's inside and see if they can guess the surprise. So first we're going to show you how to set it up, and then we're going to let Helen find some surprises in one that I already set up.
Yeah.
So, you ready, Helen?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what we need. We're going to use a muffin tin, okay, and we need baking soda.
And some water.
This is vinegar, actually. It looks like water.
And vinegar.
Vinegar. And then you need to choose some things that you want to hide. Like, it could be anything. It could be a little toy. I have a paper clip here. You can hide some different colors with food coloring. It can really be anything you have at home. It doesn't need to be anything special, just something that you can hide and find.
Yes.
Okay? So we are going to hide the paper clip. We're going to show you how to hide the paper clip. First, Helen, can you pour just a little bit of baking soda into this one muffin cup? Thank you. We just have a teeny tiny bit. See, friends? Just a teeny tiny bit in just one muffin cup. Okay? Then I'm going to take the paper clip and I put it in the muffin cup, and now you need to pour enough baking soda so that it covers it. Keep pouring. Keep pouring. Okay, stop. Let's see. Is it covered?
Yes.
It's covered. Can't see the paper clip anymore. You just see the baking soda. Okay, so I'm going to put that to the side. Are you ready to find the baking soda, Helen?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to take a little vinegar.
Can I pour it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's use the spoon first.
Okay.
Hold the spoon. Okay. Let me give you some vinegar, and then you're going to pour it into the baking soda to see what's inside. Okay, pour it in. What's happening?
It's baking soda that made it really good.
It's making fizzy, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's really fizzing.
I really don't want to see it go on the table.
It's not going to go on the table. That's why we have it in the muffin tin. All right, and when the bubbles start to go away, we can find what we hid. Do you see it in there?
Oh, yeah!
What did we hide? A paper clip!
Yay!
Do you want to see another way that we can hide something?
Yeah!
We can hide a color inside. Yep. So this is how you do a color, okay? A surprise color. All right? Take a little baking soda again, just the baking soda, okay? Pour it in the muffin tin, just a little bit, okay?
Okay, now we have...
Then we take a little drop. I have food coloring. What color is my food coloring?
Red!
It looks red inside, but it's really the color of the cap. So what color is the cap?
Orange.
Orange. And we just need to do like a drop. Is there a drop in there, Helen?
Yeah.
Okay. Just need to do a drop, and then we cover it with the baking soda. Cover it, cover it, cover it. Okay, it's covered.
Okay.
You ready to see what happens now?
Yeah.
Okay. Take your spoon, hold it. Let me give you some vinegar. Okay. Pour it in.
Wow! The bubbles! Wow, the bubbles!
What color is it turning?
Orange!
Look, our bubbles, I don't know if you can see.
Orange!
Let me tilt the screen a little bit so you can see that our bubbles turned orange. Amazing. All right, Helen, are you ready to do the surprise part?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how you set it up if you would like to set it up with your child. It's also fun to set it up as a surprise so that they don't know what's inside and you have to guess.
Yes. You have to guess.
Okay? All right. I'm going to put this away. You wait for me right here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, are you ready to do some guessing to make a hypothesis?
Yeah.
And think about what might be inside? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have pre-prepared a muffin tin with 6 different spots, and I hid different things inside, and you don't know what's inside. Some of them have colors, some of them have toys, some of them might have something that you use in your hair. Or what do you think might also be inside of there? No, don't peek. That's peeking. No sneaky peeking. No sneaky peeking.
A toy.
A toy. Okay, are you ready to see?
Yeah.
All right, let's do our first one.
Can I hold it?
Yep, I'm going to give you the vinegar. This time we're going to use a little cup because we have more baking soda.
Yeah.
So we're going to use more vinegar. Okay, you pick the first one. What do you think is inside? A toy, a color, a tool.
Toy.
A toy. Okay, which one are you going to pick?
This one.
Okay, pour it in. Pour it all in. Whoa! Oh, it's bubbling over! Whoa! It's bubbling over! It's bubbling over, so I put a tray underneath so that it didn't get my table dirty.
No.
Okay, let's see. What's in there? What is it? Can you take it out? What is it?
I know!
A paper clip!
A paper clip!
Surprise!
Surprise!
Okay, you want to leave that one in there?
Yeah.
Or take it out and put it on the tray so we know. Let's put it on the tray so we know what we found. Okay, are you ready for the next one?
Yay!
Okay, what do you think might be in the next section?
A bus.
A bus? Maybe a little toy bus?
Yeah.
Okay, pour in the vinegar. Let's see. Oh, it's a color! What color did it make?
Blue!
Blue! It was blue food coloring. Whoa. No, it's just a color. Surprise! That's kind of a fun game in itself, just to make a color surprise, put different colors in each one. That one's... Here, let me get you a napkin for your fingers.
Mommy, it's a color.
It's a color. We found blue.
It found blue.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, what do you think might be in this one?
I don't know.
You don't know? Should we pour some vinegar in and see what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa!
Whoa! That one is really bubbling.
Whoa!
Whoa!
I want to be stopping.
Whoa! Oh, it's stopping. What's in there? What is it? What is it?
My elephant.
It's your elephant toy. Okay.
Let's put here.
Okay, put it there. All right, we have 3 more treasures to find. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Give you a little more vinegar. What do you think is going to be in that one?
Tiger.
A tiger, maybe. Oh, it's bubbling!
Whoa! I can't
It's stopping. Okay. See what's in there. Hold on, let's see. Oh, what is it?
My hair
A
tie.
hair clip.
My hair clip.
See, we don't have that many little small toys at home like that. So I just found whatever we have. A hair clip. Let's see what else we find. You ready? We have 2 more left.
Okay.
Okay.
We have 2. We have 2.
Yep. Okay. Which one are you going to choose?
This one.
Okay. Pour it in there.
What?
What is it?
Whoa!
What is it?
I can't stop it bubbling.
What is it? What is the color surprise? What color? We found orange. It's a color surprise. Okay, we have one more treasure to find.
Yeah.
Are you ready to try this one?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Pour some vinegar. Okay, let's see what's in there. That one. Here we go.
It's bubbles.
Do you see what's inside yet? The bubbles are stopping. What's inside? What did you find?
A seashell.
A seashell. Whoa.
I found a seashell.
You found a seashell. Oh my goodness, we found all of our treasures.
Yeah.
That was so fun.
Yeah.
We found everything.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, friends. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.